back again to my channel, Hazel's Diary. Guys, thank you so much for all your support, for watching my videos, and for subscribing. And today's video is something very yummy. It's pizza. This one, guys, is a very Italian pizza. So, I will show you now the ingredients. We have pizza dough. We have grated parmesan. We have grated mozzarella, and we have fresh basil, we have Parma ham, and we have racket or arugula, and black pepper, and then of course the olive oil. So guys, for this Bianca pizza, we will only bake the dough and the mozzarella cheese. And later, when the dough and the cheese is done, we will put the toppings, this parmesan, fresh basil, parma ham, and the rocket salad, and the black pepper, and also the olive oil. The black pepper, guys, you can choose not to put if you don't like with pepper. Okay, so let's start. So let's shred the mozzarella cheese. And these ingredients, guys, it's up to you. If you like more cheesy, you can put more. If you like also more rocket salad, you can put more. It's not really necessary to be exact how much you must put. So depends on how much you like. Okay, so myself, I like more cheesy pizza, so I like more cheese. Okay, so guys, this one is ready for baking. And okay, just not to make it dry, let's put some olive oil. And then later, when it's done, you can also put, because fresh olive oil is good for the health. Okay, so here it is, ready for baking. And normally, I'm baking the pizza for around 20 to 30 minutes. So let's bake. So let's see how it is. Actually, now it's already brownish, so I would like to have a little bit more brown. So let's add another 5 minutes. Okay guys, additional 5 minutes is done, in total 35 minutes. Let's see. Yes, perfect. You see, it's nicely brown. Okay, now what's next is the Parma ham. So let's put the Parma ham. Okay guys, you see, it's very nice. Then the rocket salad. Okay, and then fresh basil. And then let's put some grated parmesan. Cheese is always the best, guys. I love cheese so much. Okay, then pepper. If you don't like pepper, you can always skip. And then last, fresh olive oil. Okay guys, this is our white Italian pizza. Very yummy. Okay guys, so another successful recipe for today. And I hope you like this pizza, guys. It's you should try it because it's really yummy and also healthy, because there are some fresh vegetables and fresh olive oil. And please don't forget to give a like. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. And of course, guys, if you don't want to miss any videos from me, you can always activate the bell button. And thank you for watching guys, and see you on my next video. Bye!